such a pretty sight. It makes the food taste dandy, but my tummy hurts all night.
I'll put in some ingredients, but keep the rest for me. I'm not just disobedient, I'm careful, can't you see?
Yes, this song is called Cooking by the Book. Guess what, guys? We chew on decorations. That pink cake is a little bit rotten. Foods we all hate in one creation. I adore cooking fiery hot soup. Investigation returns after all. The Cooking by the Book is our studio. We've got our cake for a brawl. Golden, flaky, cakey, and yucky. What if we're dumb and not lucky? Here's a big surprise to be fake. Let's be stupid if we eat moldy cake.
Making food is just like science, with tools that blend and base. And every fun appliance gives the food a different taste.
I'll put in some ingredients, but leave the rest for me. I'm not just disobedient, I'm careful, can't you see? Yes, this song is called Cooking by the Book. Guess what, guys? We chew on decorations. That pink cake is a little bit rotten. Foods we all hate in one creation. I adore cooking fiery hot soup. Investigation returns after all. The Cooking by the Book is our studio. We've got our cake for a brawl. Golden, flaky, cakey, and yucky. What if we're dumb and not lucky? Here's a big surprise to be fake. Let's be stupid if we eat moldy cake. Excuse me, where is this magic wand?